Let us understand the concept of for loop here. Okay, for loop is similar to while loop itself. So here what is happening, initialization, condition, updation, separately we are writing. But when it comes to for loop, everything will be written inside a single for itself. So I am having a for is a keyword. Okay, so whatever small letters we will consider it as a keywords, right? So for is a keyword, and inside that we will be having initialization semicolon, condition semicolon, and updation, and inside that we will be having statements. Okay, the order of execution is important here. First initialization will happen, after that condition is going to be executed. Okay, if the condition is true, it will come to directly to execute the statement. It will not go for updation directly. If condition true, enter to the block and execute all the statements. After executing all the statements, go for the updation. Okay, after updation is done, again come to the condition. Okay, so again execute the condition. So condition true means set of statements. So again updation, condition, statements, updation, condition, statements. So this loop is going to iterate continuously until when? Until the condition will becomes false. If the condition is false, directly it will come out of the loop and remaining statements is going to be executed. Okay, so you have to understand here in the for loop, first initialization will be happen, second condition will be checked. If true, then set of statements will be executed. Okay, so after set of statement executed, updation will happen. Okay, so after updation happen, again second step will happen. So condition will be checked, set of statement will be executed, then again updation will happen. So after updation, again come to the condition, then set of statements execution, later updation will happen. So last what will happen, so in the next step what will happen, step 2, 3 and 4 will be repeatedly executed. Until when? Until the condition becomes false. Okay, so first initialize, let us check the condition, true means execute statements. So after executing, update and again check the condition and statements, true means statements, come here for updation, again come here condition. If it is false, directly come out of the loop. So let us see one example so that we'll get a clarity on this. So what I will do, I will create a new Java file. Here I want to print hello using for loop. So for what I need to do, initialization. So here we will be having first block for initialization. So what we are initializing, number is equals to 1 and condition is number is less than or equals to 5. So 1 to 5 times I need to execute, and each and every time num value should be updated. And it's your wish that updation you can give here or you can give here. Okay, I will not give this updation here, I will give here also give, but according to standard we will give the updation here. Okay, so how it is going to execute, value is 1 less than or equals to 5, condition true, print the hello. After that increase the num value, num becomes 2 now. So again condition 2 less than or equals to 5, yes, condition true, print hello. Then come for the updation, 2 becomes 3 now. 3 less than or equals to 5, condition true, print hello, then updation. So 3. Right, so 3 less than or equals to 5, true, hello, then updation 4. 4 less than or equals to 5, true, print hello, then number will be 5. Does 5 is less than or equals to 5? Yes. Print hello and come for updation. So number becomes 6. Does 6 less than or equals to 5? No. Condition become false. Come out of the loop. Let us check this out. So Java C print hello using for loop .java. So there is no compilation errors. Now let me try to execute the class file here. See, we are getting hello 5 times. So I want to print 10 times. So what you will do, just change it to 10, save it, recompile and run. Now if you observe here, 10 times it will be printed. You can count, it will be 10. Okay, I want to print the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So now I'm only changing first 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, right? So just simply change it to num. Based on these looping statements, we can do a number of programs here. Okay, see, 1 to 10, we got it.